And it was freezing cold in the house, so I had to replace it.
Yeah, let me get a little sun there. We got some ladies out there with shorts, I see. What in the world are you guys thinking? Convertible down and shorts, I see it. I'm impressed too.
Goodness gracious. Well, hey, I think we might just start out with some giveaways right off the bat. See if we can get some stuff in your hands. We got some giveaways too. We got a bunch of donuts and long johns, even some noodles from the Essenhaus Noodle Factory. Party mix and pies. I don't know if you can do that or we can start with jokes. I don't know. We're heading to Tennessee tomorrow, so I got some Tennessee. Here we go. I might have to put my glasses on for these bad boys. Oh my word, is that the very first joke? I don't know if I can start out with that. What did Tennessee? The same thing Arkansas.
Anything for the intro, bro?
And I sold out.
Yeah, hell. Can't get in the back. I don't have one. We're doing a May 24th.
So we're doing it at Southwest Minis in Buchanan. We've got about 20 so far. We're going to meet up there for a little bit in the morning. They got tons of stuff there. So we're going to open it up, let people come in, look around, and, get any parts or anything. And then, we're doing that at 9 and then 11.
Do you guys go to A?
No, I go to
Is that your car or is that your car?
All right, I think we are going to try and do a few giveaways. I guess we got a giveaway before everybody goes away, huh? Maybe too late. We lost a few. Wonder if I can do this and drink my hot chocolate. Although my hot chocolate's not even hot anymore. It was good though.
No, it's not.
Hit the spot. What's going on next week? I guess I should take a look and let you guys know. Well, of course, Kingo's going on next week, and I do believe the Free Cloggers next week. Hey, they're here every year, I think from the beginning. It's going to be the 20th year. Some of them, I think, are the originals. Oh, yeah. And then the Coachman Car Club. So we got a couple clubs. Hot Rodders. Oh, is Elkhart Career? Do we know if they're coming? Oh, yeah. They're the ones tearing apart the engine. Putting it together. Tennessee jokes or giveaways? It's a tough one, isn't it? I don't know if I have any more. Clean ones. Put them on! Anybody got long johns on tonight?
You guys. So you're not so hardy. People bring long johns. Russ Shank. Russ Shank. Yumbo. Hepburn. Good. Andrew Fair. Andrew Fair. That's just not fair. J.T. White. Yep, every week. I try not to, trust me. Never fails. Somebody yelling? Oh, yeah, you got side by side going, huh?
That's how I stay in top condition.
Nice.
Hey, round's a shape.
They got their event coming up. No, I heard you yell, but I didn't know what it was. I blocked that stuff out. Crate Smith. Crate Smith. Oh, yeah. Read. What are you talking about? I can read. I just didn't know your last name was Scribble. Mark Garrett. Mark Garrett. For all you hand football fans, why do the Tennessee Volunteers eat cereal straight from the box? They should whenever they get their
Anything for the intro, bro?
When I sold out.
Yeah, hell.
We're doing a major. Yep, Michigan. the setup for this. So we're doing it as Southwest Minis in Buchanan. We got about 20 so far. We're going to meet up there for a little bit in the morning. They got tons of and stuff there. So we're going to open it up, let people come in, look around, and, get any parts or anything they need. And then, like,
Ha 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 ha!